Powder coating is really popular not only because it looks great, but also because it's so durable. But did you know it's also really easy to customize colors simply by changing the base coat? This air cleaner cover is a perfect example. The top coat is Eastwood Rally Blue powder. On this side, it's over the original chrome, and on this side, it's over Eastwood Gloss White powder. Let's show you how we did it. When applying a second coat of powder, there are some tips to make sure you get good adhesion and appearance and avoid fish eyes. First, make sure you have the deflector on the gun, as this will help the particles stick to the part. Another tip is to make sure you have the gun on the correct voltage setting while spraying. If you're spraying on large flat areas like the top of this air cleaner cover, you can be on the high 25,000 voltage setting. If you're spraying in the corners or tight areas, then you want to be on the low 15,000 voltage setting. Because there's not a lot of contours on this, we can basically stick to one setting. Now this is especially important when spraying over the top of a base coat. The dual voltage gun helps eliminate the Faraday cage effect, which is basically an issue that arises in corners where the powder repels due to the charge. The Eastwood dual voltage gun allows you to easily adjust the voltage to prevent this from happening while giving you professional results. And here's another tip. It's always best to start in the tight areas if you have them on your part, then move to the large flat areas after those corners are covered. Once the part is evenly covered, you can place in the oven preheated to 450 degrees. Just like the base coat, once the powder flows out or turns glossy, turn the temperature down to 400 degrees and let it bake for another 20 minutes to completely cure. Once the air cleaner cover is completely cured, you can remove it from the oven and let it cool down. Now we decided to try the same technique with a Chevy valve cover. The base coat is also gloss white, but we top coated it with the Eastwood Atomic Orange. As you can see, adding a base coat can drastically change your colors, adding many more options for your powder coating projects. And powder coating is really easy to clean up. Simply blow off the gun with an air nozzle. Plus, if you make a mistake, you can blow off your part and start over. Much easier than if you get a run in your paint. Now for over 100 different powders, powder guns, oven, heat lamps, high temp tape, plugs, and all the supplies you need to do the job right, visit Eastwood.com.